The BJP has attacked Rahul Gandhi for staging a walkout from a meeting of the Parliamentary Committee on Defence. Union Minister Prakash Javadekar lashed out at the Gandhi sign while saying that Rahul Gandhi himself remains absent and then blames the government and walks out of the meeting in protest. The Congress leader Rahul Gandhi and other members of the party on Wednesday walked out of a meeting of the Parliamentary Committee on Defence, alleging that the panel's time was being wasted in discussing armed forces uniform instead of the crucial issue of national security. Sources within the Congress say that the Gandhi sign was disallowed to speak at the meeting by the panel chairman, Jwal Oram of the BJP, when he sought to raise the issue of Chinese aggression and better equipping the soldiers at the border in Ladakh, and that's when he walked out.
उन्होंने एक सवाल उठाया था, पहले तो उनको बोलने नहीं दिया गया, ना कांग्रेस के किसी सांसद को बोलने दिया गया, और उन्होंने बहुत मुद्दे की बात उठाई थी कि हम यूनिफॉर्म सेना का कैसा यूनिफॉर्म होना चाहिए ये हम नहीं तय करेंगे, ये खुद सेना तय करेगी। ये सक्षम है सेना के पदाधिकारी या सेना के जो भी अफसर हैं कि हम उनको किस चीज़ की आवश्यकता है और किस तरह से उसकी पूर्ति हो, और मैं समझता हूँ कि कोई गलत काम उन्होंने नहीं किया था।
जिस तरीके से पार्लियामेंट में बग़ैर बहस के कानून बन रहे हैं तो स्टैंडिंग कमेटी का मतलब ही ख़त्म हो गया है। स्टैंडिंग कमेटी इसलिए होती है कि उसमें बहस हो, किसी नतीजे पे पहुँचें, अपनी रिपोर्ट पार्लियामेंट को दें, पार्लियामेंट उसे कंसीडर करे। आज ये सब ख़त्म हो गया, इसलिए उसे अटेंड करना ना करना सब बराबर है।
Let's quickly cut across to Maushami Singh joining us live from Delhi. Maushami, what was the reason for Rahul Gandhi and his members to walk out of that meeting on defence? It was disrespectful is what the BJP says, but Rahul Gandhi claims that this was a waste of time because they were talking more on the uniforms of the armed forces instead of more important issues on possibly infiltration by the Chinese troops.
No, actually, Nabila, if you see what actually happened, this entire exchange, the heated exchange between Rahul Gandhi and the chairman of the panel, in fact, lasted for a good 15 minutes. After a PowerPoint presentation by officials, there was an exchange where Rahul Gandhi said that if you have the chief of defense staff present, it is not a matter of deciding by politicians that what dress code, what color of the uniform the armed forces should wear. In fact, it should be a discretion that the forces can exercise. And when Rahul Gandhi said that, he said that for politicians, policy making is important, national security issues are important, what's happening in Ladakh and what is the preparedness of the government, that is important to discuss. It was at that time that the chairman said that no, you will not be allowed to talk. And then there was a heated exchange where Rahul Gandhi said that he did not switch off his mic as was demanded by the chairman. And thereafter, the chairman, in fact, the Congress sources say it was the chairman who said that if you don't want to talk about it, then you're free to leave. It was then when Rahul Gandhi actually walked out of the meeting accompanied by his other two colleagues.
Thank you very much, Maushami, for joining us with those details.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.